AI weapons aren't science fiction. They're already real. What they can do is terrifying. From lethal autonomous drones to AI-powered missile defense systems, these weapons are designed to identify, select, and engage targets without human intervention. These machines can make decisions faster than we can even think. Part 1. Autonomous drones. They are the front line of a new kind of warfare, capable of making life or death decisions in a fraction of a second, far faster than any human could. Part 2. Smart missiles. The potential for misuse is chilling. Who controls them? Potential for misuse is chilling. The question of who is in control is a major concern. If an AI missile or drone makes a catastrophic error, who is held accountable? Programmer, the commander who deployed it, or the AI itself? This responsibility gap is one of the most significant ethical dilemmas. Furthermore, without a clear ban or international treaty, there's a risk of an AI arms race, where countries race to develop these weapons, increasing the likelihood of accidental conflict and the proliferation of dangerous technology to non-state actors. The lack of human oversight means that the technology could act in unpredictable ways, escalating a minor skirmish into a full-blown conflict in the blink of an eye. We need to talk about the ethics of AI in warfare. It's not just science fiction anymore. It's our reality. Part 3. Surveillance and targeting. AI systems can scan cities in real time, flagging and tracking people instantly. Imagine a machine deciding who lives and who doesn't. This kind of mass surveillance creates a society where everyone is constantly being watched and analyses. AI systems can identify and track individuals in a crowd, follow their movements, and even analyze their social networks. This capability could be used to suppress dissent or monitor political opponents, as any gathering or protest could be instantly tracked and flagged. It erodes the concept of public privacy, leading to a chilling effect where people become afraid to express themselves or associate with certain groups for fear of being flagged by the algorithm. Are we ready for a future where machines decide life and death? Stay informed, because this is just the beginning.